So hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be talking about how Solana is about to do something crazy in the upcoming days. Now you may be noticing that Solana recently has had only a little bit of movement. It wasn't much, it wasn't something crazy. But now in the upcoming days it is about to do something crazy. So let's get right into the video and let's talk about what Solana is about to do. And before we get into the video, please do make sure you hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are currently on our screen, and as you can see we are on coinmarket.com. So if we scroll down a little bit, we can see Solana is at number 5 in all cryptocurrencies. It is currently trading at $95.08, down about 0.93% today in the past hour, down about 1.41% today, and down about 2.37% in the past 7 days, with a market cap of around $41 billion. So let's take a look and let's analyze Solana to take a better understanding on what's about to happen. So if we look at today's graph, we can see we are currently at $95.17. And just 24 hours ago, we were trading at around $96.51, and we are down about 1.38% from yesterday. If we look at the 24-hour volume, we are at around $1.9 billion, down about 27% from yesterday, and at a market cap of around $41 billion, currently at number 5. So if we analyze this graph right here, we can see we have some downwards movement at first, and then we go up, we go sideways for a bit, and then a little bit downwards movement, and then up. So this is very significant. It's not just random patterns. Nothing in crypto is ever random pattern. It has to do with technical analysis or other data leading to that price. So even if we look at the 7-day, which could be more clear on what's happening, we can see that in the starting we saw a little bit of an uptrend, and then we saw a quick downwards trend. Then we went back again, we went down again, we went back up again, and then we are currently on the downside. So we are making our way back to the upside. And now what is the main point of this video? Let's get straight into that. So if we head to tradingview.com, we can see if we go to the Solana USD chart, and if we on the 4-hour time frame, we can see the symmetrical triangle. Now this symmetrical triangle is on the bigger time frame, so we are on the 4-hour time frame. So this will take some time to get into place. But if we talk about the current situation, we can see that this symmetrical triangle has been forming since mid-December. So 18 December it has started forming. So let me just draw out how this is looking right now. So if we look at what this is forming, we can see that it has been like this, and we are currently very soon about to have a breakout. Now we can see that in the starting it has gone up by a lot. We had a quick bull rally, so let's just calculate how much that was real quick. We had a bull rally of almost about 85%. Now that is some crazy numbers that we can see on the first bull rally by the end of December. So 18 to 25, in just 1 week we saw this crazy bull rally. And then we have seen this kind of symmetrical triangle forming ever since then, and we saw this consistent line that we can see. This has been hit many times, and we saw this line on the bottom end also hitting a couple times. And what does that result in? We can see that we are getting closer and closer to the end of the triangle. Now what does this mean? So some of you may not know what a symmetrical triangle means. A symmetrical triangle is basically a trend that happens in the cryptocurrency, and it depends on what the condition before is that we can predict the breakout. So for example, if this is formed during an uptrend, we can very likely see that the breakout will be to the upside. And for example, if it was to the downward side, so if it was something like this, then we can expect it to go to the downwards side. So what do we see in this case? We can see that this symmetrical triangle was formed during an uptrend, and we see this is the movement during an uptrend. So what can we expect from this? So we are getting closer and closer to this breakout, so we could possibly expect something like this in the very near future. And we can expect this breakout to happen in just a couple days, maybe 1 to 2 days from now, and we can see the confirmation in just a couple days. And then we can possibly see this bull rally starting, and we can see huge prices after this uptrend. So we can possibly see prices around the range that it was at before, so around the $125 range, or even possibly higher. Now this is a long-term time frame. We are looking at the 5 hour, we are looking at the 4 hour. Even if we look at the 1 day, we can see that this is still very visible. So we are likely to have a greater uptrend just upcoming very soon. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about how Solana is forming a symmetrical triangle in the 4 hour and the 1 day time frame. So we are very close to the breakout. We could see the breakout in the very upcoming days, and we are very prepared for that breakout. So if you are new to this channel, I do daily crypto live streams on this channel, and I talk about any recent crypto news or any recent price changes in the crypto community. So stay tuned for that. And I also create long form content like this, so please do make sure to check those out also. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. Please drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.